The 10th anniversary of Good Neighbor Day is a special milestone of long-standing partnership with the University of Maryland, the City of College Park, and the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission. Good Neighbor Day is a day of service that brings Terps together to collaborate with the surrounding communities, including residents and elected officials in the City of College Park. Over the past 10 years, Good Neighbor Day has gathered more than 3,000 volunteers to beautify shared spaces, educate and engage in sustainable practices, and take pride in Greater College Park.
Every year that we've done Good Neighbor Day, I've heard from residents afterwards talking about how great the area is that we work in, how much it helps them look better, how much they appreciate, whether it's just cleaning up trash, removing invasives, planting trees, how much they appreciate that helps the appearance, and the level of community pride that we take in our public spaces.
Good Neighbor Day really makes a positive impact in the College Park community for so many reasons. It brings people together. It creates a real sense of community where people demonstrate that they care. They care about where they live, they care about how it looks, and they care about each other. And it's just a wonderful opportunity.
Good Neighbor Day has been a catalyst for this civic and community engagement effort. The idea of bringing our community to be involved with the surrounding and addressing social changes and addressing social issues and talking about what is impacting our community has been our key mark for the work that we do.
I've gotten terrific feedback from both community leaders and community members about the Good Neighbor Day activity, how appreciative they are that we take a day and provide service that supports their communities, and how especially appreciative they are of our students.
What it means to me is an opportunity to work with our community, to work with our university partners, and to make a difference. There's a saying that you only get out of a community what you put in, and this is our investment in a way to say we care, the way that we want to keep everyone safe, and the way that we celebrate a very great community in College Park.
One of the greatest things about Good Neighbor Day are the people you meet. I have met people because of Good Neighbor Day that I otherwise wouldn't have met. They're my neighbors, my colleagues, but we all come together around service and have fun on a Saturday.
So Good Neighbor Day means partnership between the community and the university. We have this partnership ongoing, but this is one time per year that we can come together and work to beautify College Park.
I think Good Neighbor Day is an event that everybody should be involved with, regardless if you're in a group, if you're by yourself, because if you go there, you'll make a friend, you'll meet people, you won't regret your time. It is one of the most truly enriching experiences that I have had here, especially doing service work, and I am very happy that it still exists and that it is still moving forward and gaining support.
The wonderful thing about Good Neighbor Day is it's here to stay. It has been here for 10 years, again, happy anniversary, but it's going to be here for 10 more years and 10 more years after that, only it will get better and better and better.
Good Neighbor Day is so important to our community as a whole, to bring together our neighbors with the students, with the faculty, and really have all of us join together in improving our parks, improving our trails, improving all of our public spaces, because we all benefit from it.